How planting sunflowers supports backyard wildlife and pets. Sunflowers, with their bright, cheerful faces and towering stalks, are more than just ornamental beauties for your garden. They are ecological powerhouses that play a crucial role in supporting a wide range of backyard wildlife. For nature lovers and gardeners alike, understanding the myriad ways sunflowers benefit animals, from birds to beneficial insects, small mammals, and even your pets, can inspire the creation of thriving outdoor spaces. Planting sunflowers supports backyard wildlife and pets. Planting sunflowers attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, creating a lively ecosystem. Sunflowers also provide seeds for birds and a playful environment for pets to enjoy. Benefits for birds: nutritional seeds, shelter, nesting materials, species that thrive on sunflowers. Benefits for pollinators: attraction of bees, butterflies, and beneficial insects, nectar and pollen sources. Support for small mammals: seeds and plant material as food sources for squirrels, chipmunks, and rabbits. Role in soil health: sunflowers improve soil by attracting decomposers and adding organic matter. Sunflowers and pets: safety and enrichment for pets, like parrots and rabbits, and ways to integrate sunflower products into pet care. Creating a sunflower habitat: tips for planting, designing sunflower-rich environments, and combining them with other flora to maximize benefits. Sunflowers are synonymous with bird-friendly gardening, primarily due to their seeds. Black oil sunflower seeds, in particular, are rich in fat and protein, providing essential nutrients for a variety of bird species. As fall arrives and natural food sources dwindle, sunflowers stand as a reliable pantry. Tall sunflower stalks provide natural perches and shelter for birds. The dense heads offer protection against predators and inclement weather. Additionally, dry sunflower stalks can serve as materials for bird nests, offering an additional layer of utility. Goldfinches, known for their love of sunflower seeds, goldfinches often linger in gardens with ample sunflowers. Woodpeckers, they enjoy extracting seeds from sunflower heads, especially larger varieties. Sparrows, these adaptable birds flock to sunflowers, feeding on seeds and insects that hover nearby. Sunflowers are magnets for pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hoverflies. The central disc of a sunflower is composed of hundreds of tiny florets, each offering nectar and pollen. This abundance ensures that pollinators are well fed, fostering the health of native bee populations and supporting the broader pollination of nearby plants. Honeybees, sunflowers are a favorite foraging ground for honeybees, whose pollination efforts also enhance the sunflower seed yield. Native bees, bumblebees, and solitary bees find both sustenance and shelter among sunflower blooms. Butterflies, species like monarchs and painted ladies, are often seen fluttering around sunflowers, drinking nectar. Sunflower seeds are a staple for small mammals like squirrels and chipmunks. These agile creatures often scurry up sunflower stalks, deftly cracking open seeds to access the energy-packed kernels inside. In turn, their antics can add a delightful liveliness to your backyard. For rabbits, sunflowers offer more than just seeds. Tender sunflower shoots and leaves are a source of nutrition, particularly in the spring. Groundhogs and other small mammals may also nibble on sunflower stems, adding to the plant's utility. The abundance of sunflower seeds during late summer and autumn helps small mammals store fat reserves for the colder months. If left standing, sunflower heads can serve as a natural food source throughout winter. When sunflowers shed their petals and leaves, the fallen plant material provides a feast for decomposers like earthworms and microbes. These organisms break down organic matter, enriching the soil with nutrients. Sunflowers are renowned for their ability to extract heavy metals and toxins from soil, a process known as phytoremediation. By planting sunflowers, gardeners can improve soil quality while simultaneously supporting wildlife. The presence of sunflowers in a garden fosters a dynamic habitat. By supporting a range of insects and animals, sunflowers contribute to biodiversity, which in turn enhances soil health through natural cycles of decomposition and nutrient cycling. Sunflowers are non-toxic to most pets, making them a safe addition to any pet-friendly backyard. Dogs, cats, parrots, and rabbits can all interact with sunflowers without risk. For pet birds, sunflower seeds are both a treat and a source of enrichment. Parrots, for instance, enjoy cracking open the seeds, which exercises their beaks and provides mental stimulation. Similarly, rabbits benefit from the occasional nibble of sunflower leaves or stems. Sunflower seeds can be incorporated into homemade treats for pets, such as bird seed mixes or dog biscuits. Sunflower oil, rich in vitamin E, can also be added to pet diets in moderation for a shiny coat and healthy skin. To maximize wildlife benefits, select sunflower varieties suited to your region and the animals you wish to attract. Consider mammoth sunflowers, ideal for producing large seeds favored by birds and squirrels. Dwarf sunflowers, perfect for smaller gardens and attracting pollinators. Multi-headed varieties provide extended blooms and prolonged food sources. Pair sunflowers with other wildlife-friendly plants to create a diverse habitat. Native wildflowers, milkweed, and herbs like mint or lavender can complement sunflowers by attracting additional pollinators and beneficial insects. Leave sunflower heads standing through winter to provide food and shelter for birds and mammals. Avoid using pesticides, which can harm pollinators and other wildlife. Regularly monitor and replenish water sources in your garden to support all visitors. Planting sunflowers is a simple yet powerful way to foster a backyard ecosystem teeming with life. Birds find nourishment and shelter, pollinators benefit from nectar and pollen, small mammals enjoy a rich food source, and even pets can partake in the bounty. Beyond their ecological value, sunflowers add beauty and joy to any garden, creating a space that resonates with life and energy. As you cultivate your sunflower-rich garden, observe how nature responds. The flutter of wings, the hum of bees, and the playful antics of squirrels all testify to the remarkable interconnectedness of life, a symphony orchestrated by the humble sunflower.